Why does my HVAC system stop working after a storm? Your HVAC system can stop working after a storm because power surges, water damage, clogged parts, or a trip safety switch can shut it down. After a storm, the first thing that can happen is a power surge, which is a sudden jump in electricity that can confuse or damage the control board, contactor, or thermostat. Even if the lights in your house come back on, the HVAC system may still need a reset because one safety part noticed a problem and turned the system off to protect it. Water is another big reason, because heavy rain or flooding can soak electrical parts, and wet wiring is not safe to run. Wind can also blow leaves, sticks, and dirt into the outdoor unit, which can block airflow and make the system overheat. If the outdoor unit is buried under debris, the fan may try to run but cannot move enough air, so the system shuts itself down. Sometimes the problem is not the HVAC equipment at all, but a lost breaker, a blown fuse, or a damaged disconnect box outside. A useful habit after a storm is to look for standing water, visible debris, and a tripped breaker before calling for help, because that can save time. One lesser-known issue is lightning can damage tiny parts inside the thermostat or outdoor board without leaving obvious marks, so the system may seem fine at first and then fail later. A common mistake is trying to turn the system back on right away without checking for water, because that can make a small problem worse. A simple fix is to shut off power first and let a professional inspect it if anything looks wet. Another mistake is forgetting to check the air filter in outdoor unit, since storm dirt can make the system overheat fast. A good tip is to replace the filter and clear away leaves before testing the system again. People also assume the thermostat is always the problem, but sometimes the real issue is a safety switch, breaker, or outdoor electrical part. The best move is to test the breaker and listen for unusual clicks or humming before calling for service. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, JobIt Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.